Hello everyone. Today we will going to read image file from using two different libraries in Python. One is the Matplotlib library, another one is the PIL library. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to download our images, and I will show you two locations where we can read. One is at the project default directory location. In my case is under C drive, this PyCharm project, and this is the image that will be going to read, this dog image. And then after that I will show you uh, how to read images from different customized location. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a new Python file, and we will name as Python image read. So this is our .py file format. So first we will use the matplotlib library. So read image using matplotlib library. So first of all, we have to import the library itself as always. Matplotlib library dot pyplot, and we will give as an alias name as PLT. So throughout our code we will use PLT instead of matplotlib library. Now for reading image file, we have to use this .image function. So we will use it as a npmg, which is stand for matplot image. Now we have to save it in a different variable. So we will name it as image img. For that we will use the matplot image function, which is npimage dot. If you see the list, we will going to use this imread function. So inside that imread, we have to provide the location for the our images. So in this case, this is the default location, so we don't no need to define any path. We have to give just the image name. So our image name is this one, and image format is jpg file. So just we have to provide this name here as .jpg inside the now for displaying purpose, we will use the .im show and show plot function. What we want to show? We want to show the image which we saved in img. Now our code is completed. Let's see what happened. Now we will going to run this code and see. So as you see, we will successfully read the image file from the directory location. So now I will show you if you want to read from some other customized location. In that case, you have to provide as save that file in the desktop. So I will copy, or I will copy some other file in the desktop like this h1. Copy this file in my desktop. This file is already present, so I will now try to read this file. So for that, our location will be image1 equal to, so we have to use the same command, that is image.imread, and inside this we have to put our address location, which will be R. Alphabet R is used for read purpose, read any file in Python. So our location is the desktop. So this is the location for reading the file from the desktop. So I will run this part. See, this is the new image which is saved in desktop location. So using this matplotlib code, you can easily read any image file in your Python code. Now let's move to the other example. So first of all, let's comment it out. Now for another option, that is the using the PIL, we can also read images in our Python code. So for that, we will comment out this code and write separate code for that PIL library. So for that, we read image using PIL. So for this, the reason why I am showing this to you, because this code is much more simple than that matplotlib code. The format is from PIL import images. Now you have to install PIL library separately. For that, I have a separate video already, whose link I will give you in the description or somewhere in the I button. So this is the standard format. So if you have to cross check it, if you have to put that I in capital, it also shows in the list. From that, you have to save in some other variable. The command is image.open, and you have to use the same address for you reading the image file from the directory. And after that, you have to type image.show and parentheses open and close. So this is as simple a 3-line code for reading any images on compared to the matplotlib library. This is much more simpler. So when you run this code, let's see, this is the doc file which they are reading. Now if you want to read the same some other file from the location, you have to type this custom address as we did in matplotlib library. So for that, we have to comment out this part and use image.open with the customized location, which is this one. See, desktop location. Now if you run this code, it will simply read that file. See, read that another image file in the Python. That's it. Thank you.